Arkki is the leading institute in the world of creative education through architecture and design for children. Arkki is globally one of a kind. Our educational content has been developed and tested for over 25 years in Finland and has received numerous awards and recognitions. Our curriculum is approved by the Finnish Ministry of Education and Culture. Arkki offers a variety of programs suitable for visitors of different ages from 4 years to adults from 2 hours to a week. The hut building workshop is phenomenon-based learning at its best. Building huts is an excellent way to learn holistically in authentic, beautiful nature. Hut building engages participants in the learning process and develops intellectual, emotional, social, physical, and creative potentials through hands-on fun learning. Building huts is so much fun, and yet it fosters the most important 21st century skills, competencies, and character qualities such as collective responsibility, collaboration, and communication skills. Play, create, succeed is Arkki's motto in learning.